Hi guys, Stefan here from Automatio. I wanted to update you on the very long waited feature called Google Sheet integration, which give you ability to sync or integrate uh, the data you scraped directly into the Google Sheet in real time or not, whatever you choose. So it's a really powerful um, feature and integration which give you a really easy way to use your data outside of Automatio, not just the standard way as a CSV. Let me show you. So very quickly, I created here some and added some extra action to extract some data over here. We're going to use design and you just as example demonstration. No harm will be done on this website, of course. So let's see. Let's just add a couple of points like those authors very quickly. And what else? Quotes. Yeah. So let me just rename. This should be the authors. And I'm added. No, this is actually quotes. Yeah. So if I preview, looks fine. And let's very quickly add some pagination so it can go to the next pages out there. That's it. Let's go on 10 pages and collect. So I'm gonna create and run this instance so the data will be sent to the dashboard. As you can see, it's running. Let's go to the dashboard and it should start collecting the data. Let's go to the logs. It's a navigating, extracting. Yeah, we're getting the data. So as you can see now, standardly we have data in the Automatio dashboard, and we can do some with this data. We can download the CSV and do something with it. We have a JSON and we have the API, which is not that what known coders are looking for, right? People who doesn't write the code, but of course there's API which can be utilized and use this data for the people who know how to work with API. But there is something much more powerful, in my opinion. Uh, so it's a Google Sheet integration, and as you can see, I already authenticated with my account just in the couple of clicks, standard authentication with Google. And I have this model over here. I have ability to either create a new sheet or select existing sheet. So if I select existing sheet, I can go and select the sheet tab or worksheet, however you call this. So I can create a new sheet over here, and the data will be sent and created by this sheet. So if I open this sheet over here, let's see. Yeah, this is where we have this data on, right? So what I can do, I can just demonstrate you. I'll create another sheet, call it test sheet, and I actually gonna use this real time thing over here. So basically, it's gonna update the sheets in the real time, how to automate your script. And here, I gonna select this newly created sheet and this sheet tab or worksheet, call it test sheet, which I just created. I'll click synth so we can synth, and that's it. If I run this, we're gonna see the data comings, as you can see, really fast. The first page, let's see. Ooh, it's so fast. Those data come so fast. So basically, yeah, so actually we got the previous data, but as you can see now, we are getting this new data over there. Doom. So how Automatio is scraping over here, 75 results. It's gonna be over here. Doom. Updated. So this gives Automatio enormous power because right now, if you have this data in Google Sheet, you can use it almost anywhere, because the Google Sheets are the most integrated platform or product out there, because first it's a free, second it's a Google, and if you have the data in Google Sheet, basically you can integrate in whatever platform is out there. So for example, you can use it in the Zapier, and if you connect the Google Sheet with Zapier, with Zapier you have then possibility instantly to access almost 2000 platforms, or Integromat, or EFTT, or whatever platform you are using. If you have a data in Google Sheet, it's gonna be so easy for you to integrate this data anywhere. For example, you want to transfer this data into Webflow really easily. You either use a Google Sheet plus Zapier or something similar, or maybe I'm not sure if the Webflow have a native integration with the Google Sheet. I don't think so, but that's why there is Zapier, right? Or some similar tools like Zapier. So yeah, I wanted to show you this. It's so powerful, and it brings a new level to the Automatio. I'm so excited about this. Hopefully you can see the value. If not currently, you're gonna see it definitely in the future when you start using it. So yeah, that's it. Stay tuned for more exciting features, and I also gonna write and create, record a few tutorials how you can integrate this data into various platforms and utilize the data. All the best, guys, and peace.